Hello students. Students, in the last session we have discussed about parliamentary form of government, and today we are going to discuss about prime minister. But a prime minister is the most powerful person in the government of India. He is the head of the state. He is the head of the government and has an effective responsibility for executive power. Our next topic, appointment of the prime minister. Prime minister is appointed by president. President appoint that person as prime minister who gets the majority in the parliamentary party. But when no single party gets the majority, then president has some discretionary power means president have some special powers for the appointment of the prime minister. He can appoint the leader of the combination of the parties, that person who will get the majority in the Lok Sabha. Next, powers and function of the prime minister. Prime minister is the head of the council of minister. His important work to elect the members of the council of ministers. He distribute the work among the ministers. He is the major link between the president and the cabinet. The prime minister presides meeting of the council of ministers. He decide the policies of the government. We can say he is the head of the all the program and policies. The prime minister give advice to the president for the appointment of the judges of Supreme Court and High Court and the members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Our next topic, cabinet or the council of minister. After general election, after the appointment of prime minister, the main important work of the prime minister to elect the members of the cabinet. Prime minister submit the list of the members of cabinet to the president. There are three categories of the minister. The first category is the cabinet minister, who are usually senior minister, and they have right to attend the meetings of the cabinet. Second category is ministers of state, who have no independent ministry and they don't have right to attend the cabinet meetings. The third category is deputy minister. They are always helpful to the senior minister and they don't attend the meetings of the cabinet. But a council of minister is responsible totally to the prime minister. The term of council of minister is equal to term of Lok Sabha, and that is 5 years. Our next topic, power and function of the cabinet. The main important work of cabinet to form policies, both national and international. They are responsible to make policies on the overall development of the country, and many important topics for the development, for the security of the country are under the cabinet minister. Next important work of the cabinet members, that is to coordinate in all the departments, means they are the best coordinators of the working of all the department, so that the government should run properly in a good manner. The prime minister play a important role in bringing about this coordinate. Next function of cabinet member, to introduce the money bill budget in the Lok Sabha. The cabinet always give advice to the president to summon the session of the parliament